we have to look at the backdrop in which this budget was placed. We had couple of years of very, very low growth, plus the first budget of a Modi government. The expectations were very, very high, and given those expectations, all of us were expecting a lot many things in the budget. Personally, I think we could not reach those expectations, but let me just quickly cap up one or two points which I think are very, very salient. One of the biggest plus points in this budget is the deficit, which has not gone up. All of us are expecting that the deficit will go up because of the bad monsoon, the low industrial production, and the low buoyancy in the tax rates. Not increasing the deficit itself is a great achievement, I think, and plus committing to a lower deficit in the future is a great achievement. As you all know, we in industry, one of the biggest problems which we face is the high cost of interest and the difficulty in raising finance. A lower deficit will mean lower interest rates in future, and therefore much more easier business in future, much more easier to compete against foreign companies which raise resources at a much lower rate. On the same strain, raising capital outside India has been made much more easy. Until today, if anybody wanted to raise capital outside India and wanted to issue bonds, there were a lot of restrictions. In this budget, the finance minister has made it clear that almost every company from India would be able to raise capital outside India at a much lower cost, and even if I remember right, the withholding tax will be exempted. So this, I think, is the biggest positive, making us competitive with everybody else in the world by raising capital at a low rate. Similarly, raising capital within the country has become cheaper with the introduction of pass-through mechanism of tax for real estate investment trust. Real estate investment trust will make it much easier for the real estate companies to raise capital and to build low-cost housing and other housing which is very badly required for the country. In the same vein, even infrastructure companies can go for infrastructure investment trust. I think that is one of the biggest introductions in this budget. As we all know, we require trillions of dollars worth of infrastructure, which is very difficult to raise given the low capitalization of Indian banks and the bad performance of infrastructure companies in the last few years. With the infrastructure investment trust, this will become much more easier. There will be a pass-through mechanism. Retail investors can directly invest in infrastructure investment trust and find a very cost-effective or solution for investment. Coming to the solar sector, there has been a mention about the solar sector multiple times in the budget, and there is a big boost for the solar sector. The energy sector as such did not receive as much attention, but the solar sector has received a huge attention both in terms of allocation, in terms of duty reduction, duty rationalization for the solar sector. We should see much more solar sector participation in in this country. This immense scope is immense, and what we are doing today is very, very low. So given that situation, I think there will be a great boom in the solar sector. Talking about the negatives of the budget, there are basically two negatives in the budget. One is the dividend distribution tax will now be grossed up. Instead of being a net, it will be grossed up, which means effectively roughly 10 to 15% increase in the dividend tax payable by each of the companies. I think this is one of the big negatives from a corporate point of view from this budget. The second, I can call it a negative because our expectations were very high. We expected GST end date to be announced. It is not yet announced, even though the finance minister has committed that the GST will come soon and they will finalize all the problems in this financial year. We would have liked if the date was announced that on so and so date GST will be effective. So that is missing. So that was this other thing. Thank you very much.